Sasa Kenya kwanza dwaro mondo jalop jatend piny machon Rigathi Gachagua omaki kotone kod tulo mosebedo ka ineno e ng'anyo mapacho ka. Kotele gi kod speaker marod bura mamalo Moses Wetangula giseyo Gachagua gilange komsia tulo mane obedo e ng'anyo matich adek magiwacho ni ne ochan. Giko apis jomin buche mondo ka okang' mar chik ne jatelo no kod mamoko ma itudo kod tulo matimore e kinde ng'anyo go.
We will not allow what happened the day before yesterday to happen again on the soil of the Republic of Kenya, not when we have the opportunity and the responsibility to protect the nation.
I also want to hear from the envoys whether the aftermath of Wednesday, what they saw, the destruction, the mayhem, the death, is what they desire.
You should have told the anarchists who are planning to storm government institutions and destroy property that that is not allowed in a democracy. But you kept quiet, now you can see the results.
Wewe ambaye unatoa fedha badala ya kuletea kina mama mashinani, unaweka asina yako ya fujo. Sisi tunakukemea.
Mimi nataka kuambia Waziri Murkomen na Inspector General of Police lazima wachukue sheria kwa wale majambazi ambao walipora mali ya wananchi.